Hey everybody, for this problem we're going to solve and graph the following inequality. So the problem is 4 times the number plus 2 is greater than 22. Okay, so come over here and grab a pen or a marker. And remember, you solve this just like you would a normal two-step equation. Okay, so I'm going to first, instead of adding 2 to both sides, I'm going to subtract 2 because that's the opposite, right, of adding 2. So first move is I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides. So now we have 4 times n is greater than 20. And then the second step is, well, 4 times n, right? So the opposite or inverse of timesing is dividing. So I'm going to divide both sides by 4. And when I do that, I get n is greater than 5. So all values greater than 5 would be our solution, okay? So our solution is going to be n is going to be greater than 5. But now let's graph it, okay? So because n is greater than 5, I know it's going to be an open circle. And because it's greater, it's going to be all the values to the right, like this. And there it is.